Have you ever wondered what happens in the split second your eyes recognize a friend's face in a crowded street? Or how a computer identifies a cat in a photo? It feels like magic, but it's actually a mathematical symphony. Today, we peel back the layers of the most revolutionary technology of our time: neural networks. Beneath the code and the complex algorithms lies a simple, beautiful concept. What if we could teach a machine to think by mimicking the very biology that makes us human? Welcome to the foundation of modern AI. Let's dive deep into the digital brain. To understand the whole, we must start with the smallest part. Meet the artificial neuron, the basic building block of any neural network. Imagine this node as a gatekeeper. It receives multiple signals, or inputs, each carrying a different weight of importance. Think of these as beams of colored light. Like a bouncer at a club, the neuron only reacts if the combined strength of these signals hits a certain threshold. If it's enough, the node fires. When it fires, it sends a pulse forward to the next layer. One decision leads to another, creating a chain reaction of logic across the entire system. But one neuron can't do much. The power comes from the architecture of thousands or even billions of these nodes organized into layers. We call these the hidden layers. This is where the magic happens, as data flows through the network, being refined and understood at every step. In the first layers, the network looks for simple things: a line, an edge, a splash of color. It's like sketching the rough outline of a drawing. As we go deeper, the complexity grows. The network starts to see textures, then patterns, and finally it recognizes the intricate details of a human face. But how does it know if it's right? It learns through training. Imagine being lost in a thick fog on a mountain range, trying to find the valley. This is gradient descent. The network makes a guess, calculates the error. The height of the mountain takes a small, careful step downward. It fails, it adjusts, and it tries again. Every mistake is a lesson. This authentic journey of trial and error is what transforms raw data into intelligence. To master this journey, the network needs fuel, vast amounts of it. We call this the data revolution. From a single book to an infinite digital library, petabytes of information feed the network. It's like a rhythmic heart, pumping data to keep the system alive and constantly improving. This technology isn't just for labs. It's out there right now, saving lives by detecting diseases in scans and predicting the weather across our oceans. At its core, AI isn't magic. It's a mathematical symphony of simple decisions made by billions of nodes working in perfect harmony. The journey of AI is just beginning. Join us next time as we explore the world of transformers. Don't forget to follow for more deep dives.